Out here at the Arbuckle fried pies. First I gotta go walk my dog before I enjoy these fried pies. Back. Let's see what we're gonna get this time. Look at all these pies. We got the pizza style, the Tex-Mex style, the Polish sausage and potatoes, and bacon, egg, and cheese. And we got some strawberry milk. This is the pizza pie. Oh, I love the crust here. Ooh, that's hot.
That's why I think the chicken and vegetables will be good. This reminds me of pot pie crust. Doesn't it, you? Okay, so I do like their crust better than I thought. Yeah, this is definitely Tex-Mexy.
This one is the Tex-Mex one, which has got beans, meat, jalapenos, and cheese. This pizza one only has cheese, marinara, and pepperoni in it. Was it pepperoni or sausage?
Pepperoni.
Yeah, pepper. Oh.
Now you got a little fork. Here, I got you a bite to try.